Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: WordPress updated, theme active, and Yoast installed. Open plugins, install Yoast SEO, then activate it. The plugin prompts the configuration wizard. Complete the wizard now, set site type, organization versus person, and connect Search Console if available. Once done, define your site's primary keywords and default appearance settings. This gets you from 0 to ready in minutes and makes subsequent optimization faster because Yoast has prefixed meta templates and structured data for your site. Now open a post or page and use the Yoast meta box. Enter a clear focus key phrase, then craft an SEO title and meta description that include the key phrase early. Make sure the slug is clean and matches the title. Review Yoast's readability and SEO analysis. Follow the red or orange suggestions to improve sentences, headings, and internal links. Next, confirm global settings. Titles and meta templates, social profiles, and XML sitemap are enabled so search engines index correctly and social cards look right. Finish by submitting your Yoast-generated sitemap to Google Search Console and requesting reindexing. Use the bulk editor to quickly standardize titles and meta descriptions across many posts and set canonical URLs where needed. If pages aren't appearing, clear any caching plugins and server cache, then recrawl in Search Console. Make sure robots. TXT isn't blocking sitemaps and that noindex tags aren't applied accidentally. If problems persist, disable other SEO plugins to test conflicts and then re-enable Yoast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.